All right, let's start by making us a blank. Make a sketch, square, 0.75, tab 0.75. Hit enter. We'll extrude that straight up. Say 4 inches this time. Hit enter. Now let's make a sketch on one of the faces of the blank. Just going to do a simple pattern here. So we're going to draw, start at the center, and we're going to tell it, we're going to hit tab. You can see here, you can see in the blue tab, the distance is highlighted right now. I want the angle highlighted. So I'm going to say at 45 degrees. And now, no matter which way I go, you see that line stays at 45 degrees. I can go over here to that, there, and click. Now I'm going to draw another line from the center the other way. And it'll see it's connecting, it's making itself equal to that distance, which is fine. So we'll hit enter. Now we want to offset those. We need to create a block, which would be what we enter in this wood. So we're going to create a block. So we're going to offset that. We'll say 1/8 of an inch, 0.125, and hit enter. Now we can extend those. See the extend tool here, extend. That'll go to the nearest line. That one we need to clip or trim that one. All right, that's done. Now we got to offset the other one. So we'll say offset by hitting O. I didn't say that a while ago. This time we're going to go to the other side and we're going to say that's a minus 0.125 and hit enter. Again, we need to extend this one and we need to trim that one. Okay. So now we got to connect these. We got to make these rectangles or trapezoids or whatever you want to call it by closing the ends down. Okay. Now if we hit select, you can see we can extrude those. So we can't. There it is. So now we're going to hit extrude. We're going to pick one. We're going to say that one. We'll say this line here. Pick all of those sections. And you see over here, one of the options we have is if we go to extent type instead of a distance, we can click on that and hit to object. Okay, so now we can tell it what object we want to extrude to. So we're going to turn the blank and we're going to pick this side over here. It's going to automatically default to cut, which is what we want to do. So, okay, now we've got a slice in there. I want to go over here and turn this sketch on. So I'm going to expand the sketches. This was the second sketch because I want to be able to see all the sketches. I'll extrude again. I'm going to select that. And again, I'm going to go over here to distance. I'm going to hit object. Select the face of the object. It's at cut. Hit OK. All right. Now we're going to go back and we're going to extrude once again. We've created our saw curves here. Okay. Just like we were making it on the bench. Well, now we're going to add whatever material that we're going to add. So we hit Q for extrude. We're going to select these blocks here. Again, go back to our distance, hit object. Select our object. Now, here's one key factor. Down here where you see operation, it says join. We need to change that to new body. I'll show you why here in just a minute. Otherwise, we're just going to put it right back together. So we'll hit OK. Okay, so now we got a new body. Now, let's hit Q again and select this piece and that piece. Again, go back to distance to object. Select the face of the object. Again, under operation, just change that to new body. Hit OK. All right, let's turn the sketch off. Now you see we've got an X here. Let's expand our bodies. And if you'll notice when you hover over name over here, it shows you which body you're on. Doesn't matter which one. We just want to make sure we pick one of them in the X's. So we'll select body 7, right click, and go to physical material. Go down here, expand wood. These are all the defaults. So we're going to say this first one, we're going to say that's cherry. So we're going to select cherry. Nope, I didn't want to do that. So good practice. I'm going to go undo. Undo physical material, hit undo. Okay. Go back over here. Go back to physical material. Again, we're going to get cherry. We've got to make sure we select the right thing. We can come over here to hit this and do it, but I like doing it right here. Change that to cherry. Now grab it from up here. Change that to cherry. Now let's go find, let's say mahogany for the other one, just for contrast. Probably wouldn't do that, but just so you can see the difference. And then let's just say the blank is made out of red oak. So we're going to take the rest of the pieces of the blank and change that to red oak. All right. Nope. Red oak, Dan. Okay. Top red oak. All right. See that? All right. Hit close. Now we're going to turn it. So we're going to say start a sketch on the top face of the blank. Select circle. Find the center. Click 0.375. Enter. Q for extrude. Select the outside of the circle. Grab pull it down. All the way. Hit OK. There is our blank. That's what that X looks like. Now here's one over here that I did earlier just to be able to show you the difference. That one we got both of them centered like they're supposed to. They're the same. You see this distance from here to here is the same distance from there to there. If you don't get them right, this is what they look like. If you go the wrong way on one of them, that's the reason this is such a good tool, is so you can see, you can put your mistakes in and see what your mistakes look like. All right, that's it.